And then I'm gonna just do left hand fades. All right, see how many I can hit. All right, let's go. That pass. All right, so I'm posting up, throw it in there, catch, fake. Ooh, I like the way that came off. Come on, Joe, come on. Come on, feed that post. There we go. What's that, 2? Feed that post. Ooh. Come on, Jordan, come on. Feed it. I might hit you. Fade. Ooh. 5. So we do 5. Come on. You good, Jordan? Yeah. Let's go. 4 more. There we go. 3 more. Good work. 2 more. Got that? Last one. Good job, BT.